Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the visibility of your online status on the Fiverr application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the settings section and then click on preferences. And at the bottom of this section, you can find the online status option, which is now, you can see that it is enabled, marked with the green button on the right side of the screen. So as you can see, you will remain online for as long as the app is open, and it will be visible for other users that you are online. So if you would like to disable this feature, click on the button on the right side of the screen, thereby disabling and turning off the visibility of your online status. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.